Thank you for joining us on Kalkine TV. My name is Sage. I hope your day is going well wherever you may be watching from in the world. Today we have some trending news to share with you. VicRoads goes partly private in a $7.9 billion sell-off. $7.9 billion of private funds will flow into the Victorian Future Fund to manage state deficit. The Victorian state government has entered an agreement to receive $7.9 billion from the privatisation of VicRoads. The partial sell-off to institutional investors over the next 40 years will now give them control over the licensing and registration business. Financial industry players make up the consortium of investor companies, including superannuation funds, Aware Super, Australian Retirement Trust and Macquarie Asset Management. Some are offering benefits for drivers through the new deal, including reduction in costs for registration and licences from October 2022. With major savings for learner and probationary drivers of between $50 to $133, as there will be no initial cost to apply for a learner or probationary licence. The new financial year brings in many changes to legislation traditionally across Australia, and you can check the changes yourself at revenue.newsouthwales.gov.au or parliament.newsouthwales.gov.au or the relevant website for your own state or territory. Treasurer Tim Pallas, who is supportive of the privatisation move, assured Victorian motorists today that the government still holds the reins on fee increases for registration and other services, however was not able to forecast if there could be any hikes in the near future. In March 2021, the existing Victorian state government, led by Daniel Andrews, did investigate into the controversial privatisation deal about the same time that the federal government, then led by Scott Morrison and the Liberal Party, rescinded the contract between the Victorian state government and China in Victoria's Belt and Road Initiative. Another two international pacts with Syria and Iran were also suspended, with fears for job losses for local people. Treasurer Pallas was quietly surprised by the $7.9 billion upfront payment from the private consortium of investors, it was reported by the ABC. With an improvement to the customer service arm of the state government department due for an upgrade through the inflow of hundreds and millions of dollars into IT services. The sell-off has been criticised by some as putting private profits over public good and being neoliberal in nature, as the current Victorian state government is led by the Labor Party and its leader Daniel Andrews, indicating the current government is keen to having interest in privatisation, the most from any party since the former Liberal government led by Jeff Kennett. Thanks so much for joining us on this trending news piece today. Please keep watching for more live expert talks and market insights. This is Sage signing off for now.